The ultimate guide to keeping your restaurant beverage station clean and sanitary. What is a restaurant beverage station and why is cleanliness so important? A restaurant beverage station is a designated area in a restaurant where beverages are prepared and served to customers. It is important for restaurants to keep their beverage stations clean and hygienic for the safety of their customers. Cleanliness plays an important role in the success of a restaurant, as it helps maintain a good reputation among customers and also ensures that foodborne illnesses are avoided. This article will discuss the importance of cleanliness in a restaurant beverage station, why it is so important, and how to ensure that it remains clean at all times. 6 essential steps for cleaning and sanitizing your restaurant's beverage station. Keeping a restaurant's beverage station clean and sanitized is essential for providing a safe and healthy environment for customers and employees. Here are 5 essential steps to ensure that your restaurant's beverage station is properly cleaned and sanitized. First, you should always start by pre-cleaning the area. This means wiping down surfaces with an appropriate cleaning solution to remove any dirt, grease, or other debris. Next, you should rinse the area with water to get rid of any remaining residue. Thirdly, you should apply an appropriate sanitizing solution to all surfaces. This will help kill any bacteria or viruses that may be present in the area. Fourthly, it's important to let the solution sit for the recommended amount of time before wiping it down with a clean cloth or paper towel. 5. Make sure that all surfaces are completely dry before reassembling the beverage station for use again. Following these steps will help ensure that your restaurant. Finally, blow with air and use water pressure to clear the drain pipes and hoses. That step will prevent drain pipes and hoses to get sludgy. Tips and tricks for increasing the efficiency of your restaurant's cleaning protocols. Restaurants are facing a unique challenge since COVID-19 pandemic. Ensuring that dining areas and kitchen spaces are properly and efficiently cleaned is essential for keeping customers and staff safe. Developing efficient cleaning protocols, implementing effective deep cleaning methods, and providing comprehensive employee training on restaurant hygiene is key to creating a safe and healthy environment for everyone. US Janitorial, providing premier commercial restaurants cleaning services. Visit us at usjservices.com. Or give us a call at 1-800-210-6069 to learn more or to schedule an appointment. We will be more than happy to assist you.